Here and next topic we are having the structure of neuron. Okay, here a structure of neuron, we are going to see that what is the structure and how they are arranged in the neuron. Okay, let me see that first thing. Here a structure of neuron a majorly consists of three things. The first one is the cyton. Okay, and next one is the dendrites. And next one is the axon. So this is the three parts of major parts of structure of neuron. Let me say that one by one. Here first one is the cyton. This is the cyton, that is a cell body. And next one is the dendrites, that is a branched body. They are present in the cytoplasm of the cell body, and like this. Okay, and next one they are having a axon, and end of the axon they are again divided as a axon terminal. That end they are having a swelling portion. Okay, let me see that one by one. The first one we are having the, here the first one is the cyton. Okay, we already say no. This is the cyton. Okay, just take this part only. Now we are going to see the cyton only, right? Here a cyton of cell body also called as a perikaryon. Okay, why they are called as a perikaryon? Which mean they are contained the nucleus in the cell body. That is the meaning of a perikaryon. Here their nucleus are present in the cytoplasm of the body, and here they are having an abundant cytoplasm, so that they are given a name of neuroplasm. Okay, and cytoplasm are presented in the abundant amount, so they are given a name of neuroplasm. Why they are saying a neuroplasm? The cytoplasm are present in the nerve cell, that is why they are given a name of neuroplasm. Okay, and here a cytoplasm is a largest granular body like this. We already say that what is a granular in the blood cell itself, right? They are having a grains in the cytoplasm. So they are having a largest granular body. Not only that, they are having a cell organelles body, right? That is a ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. So like that, mitochondria, like that, they are having a cell organelles also. Here they are having a granules, no? They are having another name for that. That is the Nissl granules. Nissl granules. Okay, they are having a large number of granules in the cytoplasm. The name is Nissl granules. Okay, here a neuron do not have ability to divide. This neuron cell, they are not having any ability to divide. There several nerve fibers are present in the neuron. The several nerve fibers are present in the neuron of cytoplasm cell body, that only help to carry the nerve impulses away from the cyton, because they are receiving with the help of dendrites, right? The dendrites only sending the message to the cyton. In that, nerve fibers are sending a message out from the cyton. Okay, and next one we are having the dendrites. Here dendrites. Here dendrites are present in the projection of outgrowth in the surface of a cell body like this. Okay, here the major function of an dendrites is just carry the nerve impulses. This is the dendrites. Here this one dendrites, not only one dendrites, all dendrites, just they are attached to the end part of a neuron. Just imagine this is the another neuron body, and here they are attached the end part of, that is the axon terminal end part of the neuron. Here dendrites they cannot attach to that end part of the axon terminal, only attached to the dendrites part. Here they are receiving the impulses from the one neuron of axon to another neuron of dendrites. Just they are carry the nerve impulses and transmitted to here. Next they are transmitted to the cell body, that is the cyton. Okay, here they are receiving the signals in the form of nerve cells. Okay, so that's it for an dendrites. There will be more. And next one, we are having the axon. Here axon is the longest cell body in the neuron. Here they are having a slender like projection, just like this. This is the axon. Here axon is the longest cell body in the neuron. They are having a slender like projection, elongated body surface, and here at the end of the axon they are having a axon terminal. This is the end of the axon. They are having a knob like swelling. Knob அப்படின்னா கான் திருகு மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, that is the knob like swelling in the end of the axon terminal. Okay, just have to take this. This is the axon. Okay, here the plasma membrane of an axon. This is the axon. A plasma membrane of an axon we called as a axolemma. Axolemma. And cytoplasm of the axon they called as a axoplasm. This is the axoplasm. Okay, and here the cell surface body, and this one is the, okay, here a plasma membrane of the axon we called as the axolemma, and cytoplasm of the axon they are called as a axoplasm. Okay, here they carry the nerve impulses away from the cyton. Here axon may covered by the protective sheath also. Okay, like this. They are covered by the protective sheath. Here this axon, this is the axon, right? This axon covered by the protective sheath, and name is myelin sheath. Here a myelin sheath further covered by the another cell. This further covered by the another sheath, a name is Schwann cells. Okay, is called as, also called as a neurolemma. Here a Schwann cells also called as a neurolemma. Okay, and here a myelin sheath, just see, just listen here. A myelin sheath further break the interval, just like this. A myelin sheath break the interval depressions of the space is there, no, that is the nodes of Ranvier. Here a region between the two nodes, this is a depression part. For an example, just see this. This is the one myelin sheath, and this is the another starting part of a myelin sheath. Okay, here just see this. Here a depression part, that is the nodes of Ranvier, and here they are having an in between space there, no, that is the internode. Okay, here a myelin sheath acts as an insulator, ensure the rapid transmission of the impulses. Insulator, which means they are only playing a major role to transmit the nerve impulses. So that's it for an axon. Let me recall it once again. Here axon is the longest cylindrical cell body in the neuron. Okay, here just see this. This is the neuron body, and this is the axon body, a center portion, that is the axon. Here axon covered with the plasma membrane, they are given a name of axolemma. Here a cytoplasm of axon they call as the axoplasm. Here axon are covered by the membrane is called myelin sheath. Their myelin sheath further covered by the Schwann cell. Here also called as a neurolemma. The Schwann cell is called as a neurolemma. Okay, and here a myelin sheath have a breaks of nodes is called as a nodes of Ranvier, and they are having a in between one myelin sheath ko another myelin sheath ko some they are having a gaps, right? The name is internodes. Okay, myelin sheath only acts as the insulator to carry the impulses away from the one neuron to another neuron. Okay, and next one, last one, they are having the synaptic, that is the synapses. Okay, here this is the synapses. Just see this. This is the one synapses and this is the another one. Okay, here this is the synapses. Okay, here a synapses is here a gap between, that's the gap between neuron of axon of one neuron to dendrons of another neuron. Here a synaptic, which means a gap, this is the gap between axon of one neuron to dendrons of another neuron. This is the important 2 marks also. I have just noted that here they are having a gap, right? Here they are secrete some chemical, that is the neurotransmitter. Now they are already having some information, that is the nerve impulses. Now they are going to carry to be here. Okay, now they are releasing here, that is the, they are having a gap, right? In between they are having a gap, so they are having another name also, that is the synaptic junction. The gap between axon and dendron, they are given a name of synaptic junction. Once they are releasing the information in the synaptic junction, here they are secrete the neurotransmitter. Okay, with the help of neurotransmitter, that is a chemical substance, they are secrete in between the junctions. Okay, with the help of neurotransmitter, they are carried to the another dendrites. Here dendrites are receiving the information. Now they are transferred to the another neurons. Okay, so this is the synapses. So that's it for a structure of neuron. Okay, let me move on next topic.